Welcome, here I've got LG Velvet and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner, and it opens us the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features, and at the third position here we have the cheese shutter, so this is the voice control here, and as it said, we can take a picture by saying cheese, smile, whiskey, kimchi or LG. So we can take a photo without touching a screen by saying just one word, and to turn it off we have to just simply tap on this button like that. So this is how it works, and for now let me keep this turned on to show you how it works, and let's go back to the camera and let me try to take a picture by just saying one word, for example cheese. And as you can see, the picture was taken, so this is really easy here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.